Ahoj, ciao, nice to see you again. Doufám, že se máš dobře. Today I feel like my face is this. I don't know what happened, but never mind. To nevadí. Because I have one message I want to share with you today, but before I go there, I want to invite you to watch the previous video. Even though the title was not very appealing, but if there is this wall between I understand and I speak, so in this video I am giving you 3 prompts how to break this wall and finally start understanding and speaking immediately. And in today's video, it's a similar topic because often what happens to you is that you are in the situation when a Czech person is talking to you and then you want to reply, but somehow you go blank, you freeze, and the way you would love to say stuff you have already in your mind, it's just not the way you imagined. And then you are maybe disappointed, you're angry, you're hopeless, right? But what I want to tell you today is that this blanking, freezing, this very discomfort, this uncomfortable feeling or moment is physiological. It's just your brain who does not feel safe, okay? Because in those situations, when you want to speak the Czech you dream about, it's very uncomfortable. It's different from your normal. And your brain, what he does, so I'm saying he, okay? Protože to je ten mozek. So for me, it's a he. So what your brain does is that he feels unsafe. He feels like, alert, alert, this is new, this is not safe, let's bring the human back to the safety place, right? And then, so he switches on the under pressure response, which is the fight or flight or freeze response. And you are, as a result, you are not able to speak. So it's physiological. Because in this very moment, your brain is turning off the access to your long-term memory. So even though your words, your phrases, everything is stored in there, the gate is closed. And what your body wants is just to freeze, right? Not to be seen by the mammoth or the bear, to run away. So, let me tell you what you can do in those moments so that your gate to the long-term memory where your words are stored, so that the gate opens and you are able to say what you know you can say, because you know you can speak Czech, right? So what we need here is to get you in the relaxed feeling, relaxed state where you do not feel under pressure, right? You need to feel calm. So I have 3 reflection prompts and also kind of actions what you can do so that you get into the relaxed state and you are able to speak in those situations. I want you to either journal or think, write, or at least really get the answers. Not just listen to me and think like, okay, now I know what to do. But really listen to me, write it down and get your answers. Or you can do like I do. I actually do not write, I have speaking diary. This is what helps me the most to get my thoughts out of my head. Because it's different what we have here and what we have on the paper or recorded on the phone. So the first prompt or first question is, what does this blank freeze moment feel like in my body? And what's the first clue that it's coming? So when you get in your body, how does it feel? Is it like your jaw, your mouth is tensing, or do you feel hot somewhere? Are you starting sweating or trembling? What is that first sign of that freeze coming soon? Right? So you need to know it in order for you the next time when you see the first sign, when you feel the first signs of it coming, you can realize like, okay, I am about to freeze, so I need to do something that we are going to discover now. Okay, so this is the first prompt. What does freeze feel like in my body, and what's the first clue that it is coming? Second one. When was the last time I felt safe when speaking Czech? Even if it just was small, but you felt good, you felt safe, the words were coming out without problems, you felt relaxed. Now you know that you felt relaxed and calm. So when was the last time it was? And I want you to recall that moment and get back to it. What were the conditions? What was happening? Why didn't you freeze? What was different? Sorry. I don't know how to. This is my WhatsApp that I can't turn off. Okay, good. So, what was different? And the reason why I'm asking is that you want to reproduce the conditions, the physical conditions and your brain conditions, because in that very moment your brain felt safe and didn't go in that fight or flight or freeze response, right? So when was the last time that you felt safe when speaking Czech, even if it was a tiny moment? And the last one, so the action I was talking about. What is that one micro tool, micro action that you can practice so that you get out of this fight or flight or freeze state? So it can be like, so you feel something is happening physically in your body and you know like, okay, I'm about to freeze and my long-term memory where all my words are stored is about to close. So now what I need to do, it can be like pause and breathe. You can breathe for a moment and say to yourself, I am safe. Or it can be like saying to the person that is there with you, I need a moment, moment prosím, potřebuju chvilku přemýšlet, for example. Nebo já vím, že mluvím česky, já vím, že můžu odpovědět česky. Moment prosím, then you breathe. Or it can be just pressing to the floor with your feet, like I feel safe. Repeating a phrase, something that clicks for you in your mind. Anything that will help you in that very moment to gain that safety, calm, relaxed state back. Please do find it, write it down, rehearse it while imagining then that you are now getting in that situation, you are about to freeze, but what will you do is press your feet, breathe and say, I am safe. Jsem v bezpečí, můj mozek je v bezpečí, moje tělo je v bezpečí, není tady žádný medvěd, není tady žádný mamut. Anything to calm you down and feel relaxed. Okay? So, what does freeze feel like in my body, and what's the first clue that it's coming? When was the last time that you felt safe when speaking Czech? And what's that one micro tool or micro action that you can practice now and in that very moment to bring you back out from that freeze, fight or flight state? And I will be very happy if you share it with me either here or on the email eliška@slowczech.com. What are your aha moments from my today's talk? A to je všechno, měj se hezky, buď se česky a uvidíme nebo uslyšíme se příště. Čau!